What is going on, guys? George here with another video, and man, it feels like I haven't posted in a long time. As you can see, my excitement has been a while. The reason why I haven't been posting very often is because obviously a lot of you guys that follow my channel know that I'm getting married very soon, and yeah, I've just been busy with wedding festivities. I just got back from my bachelor party, and honestly guys, it was a blast hanging out with my bro, hanging out with all my friends that I've known for such a long time, and overall good times. But now that we are back at home, back to the hustle and bustle, back to the videos. So with that being said, in today's video we're gonna be talking about the wrap of my truck, and we're also gonna be doing a quick unboxing. Boom, right there. And the reason why I'm going to be talking about my wrap is because I get a lot of questions about it. I do have some older videos where I got the wrap installed and whatnot, but I still get a lot of DMs, a lot of questions about why I got this wrap, where I got it, and why I chose that specific pattern when it comes down to the signature that is in the back. They call it the Busted Be George Special. At least that's what Marvin calls it. So enough said, let's get a little B-roll and let me show you guys what this wrap looks like. Alright, so let's start with the front portion of the truck. As you can see here, I do have a full hut scoop stamp, and this is the only one in the market right now. And yes, it's made by Beyond Wraps. Marvin, thanks so much for making this happen, bro. And the reason why I say that is because, man, guys, I was having such a hard time with the glare after I installed these LP6s by Baja Designs. But I came to realize that the LP6s had nothing to do with it, because for those of you guys that follow my channel or follow my Instagram, you guys are well aware that I was actually rocking a 40-inch light bar as well, and even then I was still dealing with the same problem. So I figured, why not just ask Marvin to do something custom? And little did I know that he was already working on a prototype. So when he asked me to come down and get this thing installed, I was kind of skeptical because it is a different look to what I had before, and I'll show you guys the picture right there. It's a big difference. And at this point, looks was just kind of secondary. I was going for functionality. At some point I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get rid of the light bar on top. And keep in mind, this is way before the LP6s, but I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna leave it there. It looks good. I'm just not gonna use it. And I was thinking to myself, why do I just have a light bar up there that I'm not using it just for looks? It makes no sense. So I decided to hit up Marvin. I'm like, hey bro, you know what? I need that light bar up there to be functional, especially when you're out in the middle of nowhere and it's super dark. That light bar up top does cut through a lot. So Marvin, as always, was like, hey bro, well, guess what? I'm working on a hut scoop stamp that's gonna completely eliminate the glare. Just give me a couple of days or a couple of weeks to work on it. And sure enough, he calls me, hey bro, it's ready, come down. We installed it. And guys, this is a game changer. This is not even a paid advertisement. This is the only hut stamp that worked. So that is the story behind this hut scoop stamp and why I got it. Obviously, for those of you guys that don't have a hut scoop and still want to check out a stamp that's very similar to this, I'm sure he does have a stamp for you guys as well. All right, so now let's move to the middle portion of the truck and check out what he did to my side mirrors. As you can see here, this is a two-toned side mirror cap vinyl. He did do 2 layers. One of them is kind of a anthracite gray, and the other one, it is a matte black. If you look closely, you can also see that he did something called embossing, and he did emboss my name. It does say Busted Be George. And not only that, but if you see here, the turn signals, these are usually white. He went ahead and actually vinyl wrapped these things clear, so that way they looked like they're smoked. So a few reasons I decided to personalize my side mirror caps and vinyl wrap them. First of all, because they're pretty beat up. For those of you guys that go on trails, know that when you're out there, you do hit bushes, you hit rocks when you're on trails, and the paint on these bad boys were pretty banged up. So I figured, why not just vinyl wrap it? It was more expensive to buy the side mirror cap than it was to vinyl wrap it, so I did decide to go that route. Not only that, but he did also include two tones which kind of matched the rear portion of the truck. And last but not least, I wanted to make this personal. I wanted to make it my own, and that's when he did the embossing. As you can see here, he did put my name right underneath the vinyl, and it's just, in my opinion, a lot different. I've never seen anybody do this, and why not just add a little bit of taste and add a little bit of myself into the truck and make it unique. Last but not least, let's talk about my favorite part of my truck. That is the back portion of the truck, and it's not because of my Moptown bumper. It's not because of my accessories when I do have them on. That is because of this wrap. This is something custom that I just kind of thought, and I told Marvin, hey bro, can you make this happen? And look at it, he made it happen. I know a lot of people have been inspired by this idea and have gotten a very similar pattern to it, and I love the fact that this was able to do that for others. It was able to bring just a different style, maybe a different look to the table, and honestly guys, I just love the way it looks. So when it comes down to the back portion of the tailgate, as you can see here, he also did something custom. At the same time, he added the anthracite gray Tacoma accents and also added a few of the vendors that have supported this build from day one. If your name is on the back of my truck, just know that I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, and thank you guys so much for always having my back since day one. So now for the unboxing, we do have a CVT light. This is not your typical light. This is a solar powered light as well, and it also has a Bluetooth ready speaker. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what's inside. All right guys, I don't know if you guys have the same problem, but I really don't like reading instructions when it comes down to any type of stuff like this or IKEA stuff. I usually just kind of assemble it on my own. So I'm just gonna give it a shot and see if I can make this happen. Look at this thing, guys. This thing is straight from another world. Wow, check this out guys. This thing is massive. You do have the solar panels on top, and it almost looks like these things kind of, oh yeah, check it out, individual lights. Question is it charged? I guess you have a little, oh, check this out. Oh, you do have, multiple settings. Pretty neat, huh? Let's throw it on and see what it looks like once it's installed. And there you have it guys, check this out. This is super dope. You do have multiple adjustment settings where you can actually bring it up, bring it down. And looks pretty good if you ask me. All right, so moment of truth. Let's see how bright this thing is. Obviously it is daytime, so dude, this is pretty bright if you ask me. Wow. The little ones had different settings, so I'm sure this one does too. And yep, sure does. Dude, this thing is dope. Now the speaker is right here. I think you take it out just like that. And it does have a power button right here. Oh man, this is pretty loud. I'm guessing this is all Bluetooth as well. It should be Bluetooth because that's what the box says. But I'm not gonna set it up because I am recording with my phone. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing just because this thing has been sitting around for a little bit now. And This is definitely something that's super useful, especially if you go out camping and you just need that light, you know? Different settings. And you also have this one as well. One thing that's super cool that I like about it is that it's magnetic as well. Check it out, just like that. You don't even have to individually charge these things, as you can see here. Right in here, they do have their own charging station. So as long as you put it there, they will charge. Oh, that's super neat. It even gives you a little light that's red when it's charging. And man, this is super dope, man. So what do you guys think of this light? Pretty awesome, huh? It definitely goes with the theme of the truck. I mean, the truck looks kind of alien looking as it is, so this definitely just adds to it. And it is called a UFO light for a reason, so they definitely do go hand in hand. And I definitely do like the fact that it has different functions. If you want to just place this light by the fire pit or where you're cooking, and you want to take this up to the tent or your room, wherever you're staying, you do have the ability to do that. And the fact that it has the speaker that's Bluetooth definitely just adds a little icing on the cake. I also do like the fact that everything does come in a nice bag. Not only does the accessories come in a bag, but the actual UFO light that carries the lights and the speaker also has its own bag. I'm telling you, this thing looks like a little Scotto grill, but it's not. Kind of gives me an idea to hit up CVT and be like, hey guys, you guys should invent your own Scotto grill. Might as well, right? They carry probably the best products in the market. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. This is just a quick unboxing. I'm not going to get too into detail. If you guys want to see a detailed video when it comes down to the UFO light from CVT, let me know down below in the bio. I'll be more than happy to do so. But I hope you guys enjoyed the explanation when it comes down to the wrap and why I did it. I want to give a big shout out to Marvin at Beyond Wraps for taking care of my truck and for always coming out with innovative inventions or different ideas to make our life a lot easier when we are out on the trails. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.